Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. AP comes back with a brand new invention.
Chem love, grab a hold of me tightly. Stress upon my brain, daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the light. Green copper glows.
To the extreme, dominate like a crazy. Turn on the sport robots, learn, don't be lazy. You chin, he's the ninja of the room, killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom.
Hydrochloric acid, though, might get us first. That kinetics lab, we all knew it was the worst. Love it or leave it, AP Chem's here. Better try hard till the end of the year. Look at this chem problem, I can't solve it. Check with Mr. Wood and he'll resolve it.
Ice, ice, baby. Chemistry, ice, ice, baby. Chemistry, ice, ice, baby. Chemistry, ice, ice, baby.
Now the term looks unstable. Let's take a look at the periodic table. Stop the titration, Billy's added too much acid. This solution is no longer placid. Tommy ain't burnt because he's so quick and nimble. Mr. Wood's demos can be quite painful, and Kyle, well, his lab can be scary. Blowing up oxygen is stupid, not daring.
Sparky the fly, he was our class pet, but the rest were cuter though they peed on desks. Kyle and Eugene, well, they held hands. There's photographic evidence. Kyle, don't get mad.
Brittany, she is our class president or figurehead. Though her energy is spent, jealous of Mr. Wood's Pandora, serenade to Sandstorm and violas. Word. Ready for the AP test. We all freaked out, but remember we're the best. Acid rain. It's made in our homeland, but now it's Canada's problem, so don't take a stand.
Naming organics can be a blast. Knowing this nonsense can be a great task.
Ice, equilibrium, the list goes on. Of the stuff we've learned, hydrogen bonding is fun. Random Baked Fridays, well, they were the bomb, but the most delicious food was from Kayla Zeller's mom. Look at this chem problem, I can't solve it. Check with John Myers and he'll resolve.
Ice, ice, baby. Chemistry, ice, ice, baby. Chemistry, ice, ice, baby. Chemistry, ice, ice, baby.
Take heed, because we're working with Hefner, gases up above, organics in the dirt.
Bases are slippery is what he said. That's the only thing that'll stick in my head, cause our lab, it's like chemical spill solutions you can see and feel.
Conducted and formed, this is what beep of a concept. We make it awesome, and you want to stick with us. High molar nitrochloric acid slices like a ninja. That's like a razor blade.
So fast, Mr. Wood says sweet. This AP Chem class can't be beat. Keep our composure as we take a test. A felony is anything less than your bet.
Look at this chem problem, I can't solve it. Check with Antonio and he'll resolve.
Ice, baby. Chemistry, ice, ice, baby. Chemistry, ice, ice, baby. Chemistry, ice, ice, baby.
Peace.
Word to your mother.